Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply fake frames on top of your videos in CapCut PC though. So I have like these two layouts. So you can see you're just going to go to stickers here and you're just going to press this, and then you are going to select frames, which is this one. And there's a few options that you can choose from. There's like a landscape one, like this one, or like this one for instance. You can add that on top like so. Just going to scale it down a little bit, and I'm also going to scale down, actually I'm just going to leave the image and I'm just going to mask it so it's like proportionate to the frame like so. They also have like this like portrait frames as well. I like to use like the phone frames for this, or the like window frames like this one, and just apply it on top. Make sure you scale it down like so, and it creates this really cool frame, as you can see. I also really like the train door ones. Again, scale it down to use it. I'm just going to scale this up a little bit, and then I'm just going to scale up the video like so. And you just have a lot of options. You also have like this window, like plain window one. I think it's best if the scenery is like a sky. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!